come on, just play the music to give it more sense. So, TJ, you have a gift for your community. I hope you enjoy it. I'm gonna leave it.
I think he's gonna have to sit there.
Yeah,
Sit
actually.
here? Oh, TJ,
yeah.
you can sit here. Sit.
So, sit down.
Oh, good. I can hold
What's
the
going on there?
I can
It
hold
was
the
request this.
They requested it, but yeah, just you should play some fucking music. Why are you doing that? That's weird.
Play the music.
Yeah, just play the music. Don't be
Yeah,
mean.
He's not gonna beat the allegations after putting it there.
Let me, because I don't want to die. It's very, well, I can do it like this. Please don't die.
Oy, oy. Oy.
Tiki.
Mm.
But you have to imagine that there is some great music playing.
What's a romantic song?
Romantic song? I just don't want to know. I'm sorry if I'm a little dumb. Yeah, but it's
Whoa, TJ, that's crazy. You have to cross your
Come
leg.
on, play the rest of the fucking song.
you. Alondra puta, by the way.
Alondra puta.
Alondra puta. Too good. It's just that it's great.
Tonight the music seems so loud. I wish that we could hear this crowd. Baby, it's better that way. I wanna say, I wish that we could be together. I wish that we could be forever. But now I want you to say, please.
What song?
The sexy song.
A sexy song.
Just
yeah.
sexy strippers.
Just make it
bound,
sexy.
chicka, wow.
Guys.
You asked for it.
Wow,
Like,
wow.
why
Strip
do you
club
ask me?
classics.
why do you ask
Strip
me?
clubs originals.
If you guys want like a nice hype song, Molotov, Russian Party Boys.
See, you say stuff like that, and I'm like, that guy, he gets it.
A sexy song.
Molotov, Russian Party
You
Boys.
requested it. Why are you asking me?
Play So Easy.
So we leave.
Play some Frank Zappa for TJ.
TJ, have you ever been to the strip club?
It's a crazy. It's the worst thing ever.
What?
Have you?
It's the worst thing ever.
Why do you ask?
The world wants to know.
Put
Yeah,
my dick
answer.
in the discotheque, I can get enough. I got Polish girls to my left, Russian girls to the right.
Yeah?
You can
How
play
many
Love
times?
Game from Lady
What?
How
Gaga.
many
That's a
times?
good one.
Don't follow me, don't follow me.
No, that's Alejandro. No, Love Game.
It's a react thing?
Love Game.
Okay, that's
Love
fair. That
Game.
means people took you there.
See.
It is not a disease in your mind. I went once.
Stay strong, stay strong. Let me give you your Estes flask so you can stay strong. There you go.
Sit on his lap and make it clap. Fenix gang for the win.
Give him Monty his spice so that he
I
may
say
enjoy
nothing.
this
Do
ride.
not say.
Okay, is it over? Is the show over?
Did you
No.
consent this, TJ? I need to ask because
I mean, he didn't stop me.
TJ, as a man, you have to kind of say yes.
if you
Yeah.
don't want to.
There you go.
Okay.
Mhm.
But without music, it's kind of weird.
I know.
Wait, what?
What are we doing?
You're about to have consensual sex with this woman.
You're about You're about to. You're gonna deliver your BWC.
Green
Why am I?
Green card. Green card for Phoenix. Yay. Third nationality.
Why am I obligated to agree to this?
Your man has
You can always. There's
your
three.
BWC.
You can say no.
Request. I just want to make things clear in here.
Let me read the contract.
Yeah.
This is the
Special-
contract.
Special request for you.
Special fucking request, baby.
It's not me. It's them.
Nuestros límites de duración. Nueva fase de
Ah, noticias.
It's coming.
Super sexo.
Nice announcement.
Oh, was that There you go, there you go. Okay.
So you can stand or not?
There you go. There you go.
Maybe you close your eyes. That makes it gay.
I'm just a dancer. I'm looking for a partner. Someone who knows how to ride without even falling. Without thinking about the flow. Takes me to my limits. Girl, when I break you off, I promise that you won't go and get along. So on it, let's do it. Ride it, my saddle's waiting, coming, just on it. So on it, let's do it. Ride it, my saddle's waiting, coming, just on it. Sitting here frozen. Keeping your skin on. Just one sip of hesitate. The things I would do to you. Doing your body. Every single portion. Since your heels up and down your spine. Juices flowing down your spine. So on it, let's do it. Ride it, my saddle's waiting, coming, just on it. So on it, let's do it. Ride it, my saddle's waiting, coming, just on it.
Come on, DJ. Come on, DJ.
We gonna get nasty, baby. First we'll shut it down till I reach your ponytail. All over and through your baby until we reach the shade. You'll be on my tummy team. So on it, let's do it. Ride it, my saddle's waiting, coming, just on it. So on it, let's do it. Ride it, my saddle's waiting, coming, just on it. So on it, let's do it. Ride it, my saddle's waiting, coming, just on it. You're on it, let's do it. Ride it, my saddle's waiting, coming, just on it. You're on it, let's do it. Ride it, my saddle's
Fuck her right in the pussy. Fuck her right in the pussy. Fuck her right in the pussy. Fuck her right in the pussy.
fuck her right in the pussy.
You
Well,
want to
TJ,
eat that.
that's not a water bottle.
¿Cómo se sentiría procesar la nómina global con él?
That is
You
hot.
gotta take it out and
El
you're not
porcentaje de
gonna
procesar las
You just gotta bring that water bottle
Stay-
outside. Or everyone's gonna think
Stay
you're a
strong.
dog.
Stay strong.
Is
Stay
that what you
strong.
want the world to think? You gotta
Stay
remove
strong.
the water bottle.
Stay strong, Western man. Stay strong.
Let him be.
Stay strong, Western man.
So, TJ,
Thank you for accepting the challenge, Fenix. You're a real one. You just made TJ's whole trip to El Salvador worth it.
Stay strong.
so TJ, the audience is wondering, rate from 1 to 10.
Right. I stopped the exercise, okay?
Oh, okay, yes. That was my dance, my exercise dance.
Yeah.
I was tensing my abs all the time.
What did you ask?
So TJ, the audience is
Okay,
wondering,
I got it.
Pull her chin.
rate from 1 to 10.
1 to 10?
You think she does is really good?
9.
Oh!
You heard it first here. Nice.
That's good, that's good.
I'm glad that you enjoyed it.
See,
Your beautiful audience wanted you to have fun.
I wanna go to an El Salvadorian strip club
Let's go to
in a
lips,
sketchy
baby.
area at 12 in the afternoon.
Now I need a beer.
Let's go to lips! That's kind of like a sketchy circle there. No, it's not a sketchy. It's kind of like
Lips.
Gucci. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Lives in the daytime.
Mm-hmm.
I wanna see those daytime shift workers.
You want a beer? Let's go have a beer.
Let's go.
Let's go.
That was nice. Thank you. I just tried not to die.
You
It
good?
was hard.
You want a beer?
no, I'm okay.
Do you need some time here alone?
Yeah.
Was it good? I wasn't touchy at all.
Yeah. Uncle Samson.